That's right. I've made over $1 million this past year off my stock portfolio. And it's been done by the use of AI. And I got to thinking, I'm sharing this with my tribe, and there are people who are doing as well as I am, but I'm really not achieving the goal that I have set out for myself, and that is to share it with the world. I believe that we have entered into an era where people like you and I and can can make a good living $1 million a year in the stock market if they know how to trade the stock market, if they know not even trade, how to invest in the stock market. So what I've decided I wanted to do was this weekend I'm going to write a white paper. I've got the draft of it right now. It's about 7 pages long, and what I'm explaining in the white paper is how I did what I did in the past year. It all started about a year and a half ago when I heard that someday I would have an AI agent, which I thought would be a computer built by Dell or somebody that I would basically communicate with, and it would answer all my questions. Well, that isn't what it is. It's AI is a prompt that I use ChatGPT to basically answer the question that I am asking. Who's the next NVIDIA? Who's the next Amazon, Google, Meta, Apple? Who are they in the market today based on the data that I know that those companies followed in order to achieve success. So what I'm going to do is finish out this white paper, I'm going to call it. And on Monday, I'm going to come on here and I'm going to tell you how you can get a copy of it. Just kind of running through it. The first thing is I'm going to show you a chart of exactly what my portfolio did over the last year. Then I'm going to talk about the past, the present, and the future. How we bought stocks in the past, how we're buying them in the present, and how AI will teach us to buy stocks in the future. Then I'm going to give you the framework of my prompt that deals with opportunity recognition, capital commitment, talent, and infrastructure. I'm going to break down my prompt into 7 sections that give you a understanding of what you need to be asking your AI agent, if that's the route you choose to go, so that you can achieve what I've achieved. Then in my section 3, I'm going to explain to you how I built that prompt based on the performance of Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, and NVIDIA through what I call their infancy, their childhood, their adolescence, and their maturity. Then I'm going to go through how my prompt is structured to analyze their financial health so that you know that how much debt they have, do they have the ability to pay that debt, and how efficient they're going to be. Then why I think the section 5 is going to be the results that I believe the future will bring you using this kind of method of investing. And then what's going to happen in the next decade with the use of AI, and how is it going to even improve your investment capabilities in the future. There's some opportunities, that's section 7, and there's some obstacles ahead. And we have to address those so that we give our AI agent all the armor they need to make strong decisions and to avoid those things that we've learned from the past that can upset the growth of a company. I want you to have this. I want it to be free, and I want you to have no reason at all why you shouldn't change your financial future. So look for that Monday. And I want to make it possible for anybody who has the willingness to learn the stock market to benefit from the stock market. There are billionaires. There's 3,000 billionaires out of, well, I think it's what, 1.5 billion people. There's only 3,000 because there's only 3,000 people who know how to make money in this world. And I'm going to start counting myself amongst them. And I want to invite you to become part of those people who know how to make money.